Factorization method of common factors, NCERT Class 8, Chapter 12, page 146, exercise 12.1. Now 24 has factors 1 and 24 as their product is 24. 2 and 12, product is 24. 3 and 8, 4 and 6. In a similar way, we can write the factors of 6ab. The factors are 1, 2, 3, a and b. 1 is a factor of every term. Usually it is not shown as a separate factor of terms. If we have to factorize an algebraic expression, we have to write it in a product form. These factors can be numbers, algebraic variables, or algebraic expressions. These algebraic expressions are in product form, 7mn. So factors are 7, m and n. 4 into a plus b into a plus b. Again, factors are 2, 2, a plus b and a plus b. And 5p minus 1, factors are 5 and p minus 1. Now let us consider expressions like 3p plus 6, m square plus 13m, p square plus 5p minus 6. All these expressions are sum or differences of terms. So to factorize these, we use the method of common factors, and we will study this today. Now we have to find the common factors of 7m plus 42 and factorize it. Now this is equal to 7 and m. These are the factors of 7m, and 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. Now what is common in both these? I have marked in blue. So 7 is common, and we take out 7 outside the bracket and we write m plus 6 inside. Because here there is m and here we are left with 2 into 3, which is 6. So factors are 7 and m plus 6. 6p minus 12q. Now 6p is written as 2 into 3 into p, and 12q is written as 2 into 2 into 3 into q. What is common in both these? 2 into 3. So we take that outside the bracket, and inside we are left with p and minus 2q. The minus sign is written because the sign between the two terms is negative. Factors are 2, 3 and p minus 2q. Now let's take 12mn plus 20pn. I can write the first term as 2 into 2 into 3 m into n, plus I can write the second term as 2 into 2 into 5 into p into n. Again, what is common in both these terms? 2, 2 and n. I have written it in blue, and common factors therefore are 4n. So in the next step I write 4n into 3m plus 4n into 5p. I can take out 4n common outside the bracket, and I write 3m plus 5p. I have used the distributive law and I have got the sum in product form. So the factors are 2, 2, n and 3m plus 5p. Now we take 5ab plus 45a square b square. I write the factors 5ab1 plus 5, 9a, b. What is common in both these? 5ab. So I write 5ab in blue, and I've written the number 1 here. specially, so that children do not get confused that something is still there. Plus 5ab into 9ab. So 5ab I take out common, and within the brackets I write what is left or what is written in red. So 1 plus 9ab. I've used the distributive law and I've got it in the product form. The factors are 5, a, b and 1 plus 9, a, b. M into p plus q plus n into p plus q. Just by looking at the sum, we find that p plus q is common in both. It's a binomial, so we take out the binomial common p plus q and we are left with m plus n. This is in product form. Factors are p plus q and m plus n. Next, 3m into 2m minus 3n minus 5n into 2m minus 3n. The common factor, that is the binomial, I have written in blue. So 2m minus 3n is common. I take it outside the bracket, and within the brackets I write 3m minus sign in between the two terms 5n. So the factors are 2m minus 3n and 3m minus 5n. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Factors of 10a square are 2 and 5 and a square, and factors of 15b square are 3, 5 and b square. There is a negative sign in front of 15. And factors of 20c square are 4 into 5 to c square. In these terms, 5 is common in all the three. Taking it out, we write 5 into 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. So the factors are 5 and 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. X into z minus x minus y into 6 minus z. This is a slightly tricky sum. On one term we have z minus 6 and the other term 6 minus z, though they are similar but different. What can I take out common in these? I write 6 minus z in such a way that it will become z minus 6. So I take out a negative sign outside the bracket. So when I put a negative sign outside the bracket, all the terms inside the bracket will change sign. So 6 becomes minus 6 and minus z becomes plus z. Now this is equal to minus z minus 6. I have interchanged using commutative law. So now I write x into z minus x minus y into 6 minus z. It is equal to x into z minus x is as it is minus y, and for 6 minus z I have written what I explained you here. Now minus y into minus within brackets minus 6 plus z, when we multiply we get plus y into z minus x. So out of these two terms I have taken z minus 6 common, and within brackets I will have x plus y. So the factors are z minus 6 and x plus y. Find the common factors of 3m square n cube, 10m cube n square, 6m square n square p square. By now you must have observed that now you can, by looking at the terms, you can find out the common factors. But still we will go step by step. I can write 3, m square is m into m, n cube is n into n into n. 10m cube n square is 2 into 5 into m into m into m into n into n. And the third term is 2 into 3 m into m into n into n into p into p. I've written the common factors in blue. What are the common factors? M, n, and n. Now, I have three terms in this expression. I have to find the common factors as well as factorize it. Now, let's find the factors first. So, x square yz I can be written as x into y into z. Now, same way x y square z can be written as x into y into z. And x y z square can be written as x into y into z into z. Factors are x, y, z, and with x plus y plus z. Next one, ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Okay, this I write as a into x into x into y. This I write as b into x into y into y. And third term I write as c into x into y into z. What is common in all the three? X, y. I marked them blue. So xy is common. What I am left with within the brackets is ax plus by plus cz. Factors are x, y, and ax plus by plus cz. Now, minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. I express them as factors. First term I have minus 2 into 2 into a into a. Second term again 2 into 2 into a into b. And third term is minus 2 into 2 into c into a. So I have common factor as 4a. So I have written this in what color? Blue. So 4a I take common, and within the brackets I am left with minus a plus b minus c. Now I have done it in a separate step, though I could have done it in the previous step. I take out the negative sign common because conventionally we want the first term in the bracket as positive. Otherwise also one of the terms will be negative. So I write minus 4a because I've taken out the negative sign outside common. I will have to change the signs of all the terms inside the bracket. So minus a becomes plus a, plus b becomes minus b, and minus c becomes plus c. Factors are minus 2, 2, a minus b plus c. That's all for today.